everyone, welcome back to a new video of Brain Bridge Learn. So today in this video we are going to study fractions. So what are fractions? How do we divide among two or more people? These are things we are going to study in today's lesson. So get excited and let's begin. So, intro. Fractions are equal parts of a whole object or a group of objects. Like there, if we consider this circles as a pizza, the first one has equal parts because it is divided from the between. Meanwhile, the second one not contain equal part. It has one part bigger and one part smaller. So that is not dividing into group of objects. So, equal parts. This pizza, this circle is divided into two parts. These two parts are called two halves. Each half is exactly the same size. Even if you measure it, they both will be of the same size. Next we have this blue circle or this blue pizza. Here this blue circle does not have two equal parts. One part is little and the other part is bigger. So it is not split in half. Is this square divided into equal parts? Answer me. No, this square is not divided into equal parts because all the parts are not of the same size. Is this square divided into equal parts? You must say it nicely. So, yes, the square is divided into fourths. Each part is 1/4 or 1/4. 1/4. So now it's your turn to answer. Which picture shows 1/2? First one or the second one? Comment down in the comment box question wise and I will give a shout out to the person who has all the answer correct. A or B. Next we have which picture shows 3/4? The first one or the second one? This is the second question. The one corrects all the answer gets a shout out. How can you divide a circle into 4? Divide the circle into 4. Next we have, now it has 4 equal parts. Like we have drawn a line from a ruler in the middle of the circle and middle of the circle from the other side too. So each part is 1/4. So it's your challenge time. Means a question time. Draw a triangle on your paper. Take a sheet of paper and draw a triangle on it and divide it into equal parts. What fraction does your drawing represent? Comment down. So, thank you everybody. This video was created by Brain Bridge Learn. Tata, bye bye, see you all. Please like and subscribe to our channel.